Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, Service Mapping and Discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, Service Mapping and Discovery is: how can ServiceNow Discovery be configured to discover and classify IoT, Internet of Things devices within an organization's network? Your answer should be: configuring ServiceNow Discovery for IoT devices involves creating custom patterns, probes, and sensors tailored to the specific characteristics of IoT devices. This may include defining conditions based on communication protocols, device attributes, or other distinguishing features. By customizing the discovery configuration, ServiceNow can accurately identify, classify, and map IoT devices in the CMDB. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: explain the role of reconciliation keys in ServiceNow Discovery and how do they contribute to maintaining data accuracy in the CMDB. Your answer should be: reconciliation keys in ServiceNow Discovery are used to uniquely identify configuration items (CIs) during the reconciliation process. They define the criteria for matching discovered data with existing records in the CMDB. By specifying reconciliation keys, ServiceNow ensures that the correct records are updated or created, contributing to the accuracy and integrity of the CMDB. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: in a scenario where ServiceNow Discovery encounters a large number of duplicate records in the CMDB, how would you troubleshoot and resolve the issue? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow-based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: troubleshooting and resolving duplicate records in the CMDB involve several steps. Steps are: reviewing MID server and discovery logs for error or warnings. Next step is analyzing identification and reconciliation rules to ensure they are configured correctly. Next step is adjusting identification and reconciliation rules to prevent duplicates. Next step is manually reconciling duplicate records through the ServiceNow interface. Next step is implementing preventive measures such as refining patterns or adjusting probe configurations. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: how can ServiceNow Discovery be configured to exclude certain devices or IP ranges from the discovery process? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery can be configured to exclude devices or IP ranges by defining exclusion patterns based on criteria such as device type, IP address, or device name. Next one is configuring discovery schedules to skip specific IP ranges or devices. Next one is utilizing discovery probes, with exclusion criteria to filter out unwanted devices. And last one is adjusting discovery patterns to skip certain classes of devices or configurations. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.